Yeah, long two. Wala. 2 points. 7 minutes and 45 seconds. First quarter period. 3-2. Ganda naman nun. Long two. Wala. Gawan. Number 2, basket count. May kasama pang foul. Long two. Palitan ng dos. Wala. Nakakuha ng Rizal Crusader. Butial. Long two. 2 points. Butial. Yan. Butial. Long two. Wala. Na-follow up. Yan. Butial. Butial. Pinasa. Long two. 2 points. 14-10 in favor of Rizal Crusader. Wala, Gawan. Yan, Butial. Long two. 2 points. Butial. Wala. Uy, Gawan ang bola. Yan, 60. Wala. Wala, Gawan. Butial. 1 point. Butial. Wala. Yan, nakuha ni Butial. Yan, long two. 2 points, Butial. 3 seconds. Basket. In the first quarter. Yan, 20-14. 6 na lang po ang kalamangan. 1 point. 5 to shoot. Basket count. Five to shoot. Long two. 2 points, Butial. Yan, for our next third game. 6 minutes. Second quarter period. 27-15 in favor of Rizal Crusader. Nakawala. Basket number 2. One point. Team. Wala. Yan, nakawala. 1 point. Nice pass.
Ayan na.
Yan, Butial. Long two. Short. 1 point. Black gray.
Ito. Meron na yan. Asan na yung cook natin?
Basket. Yan, Butial. Yan, long two. Short. 1 point. Yan, Rumekta. 1 point. Nice pass.
Wala. Kita.
Yan, 1 point. Sumaludo pa si Sir.
Yo, sipahin mo ba? Ginawa mo sa akin eh.
1 point. Yan, basket.
Lapit konti, lapit. Umubo ka kayo.
Yeah, 1 point. Basket. Number 17. And 8 seconds. Yeah, final score, 38-20. Winner, Rizal Crusader. Congratulations.